Imagine a number so large, it could power an entire economy. By 2035, artificial intelligence is expected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy. This $15.7 trillion is a massive increase in global GDP, demonstrating AI's transformative impact on our economy. Just like electricity changed industries a century ago, AI is now being harnessed as a new power source to drive economic growth. When compared to traditional industries like manufacturing or agriculture, AI's contribution of $15.7 trillion is a game changer. And here's a fun fact. By 2035, AI is projected to grow at an annual rate of about 13%, outpacing most other industries. In manufacturing, AI is about more than just automation. It's also about predictive maintenance and optimizing supply chains. Here's a timeline showing the growth of AI's economic impact. In 2015, it was $4.3 trillion. By 2025, it's projected to be $13.8 trillion. And by 2035, a staggering $15.7 trillion. So, how does AI drive economic growth? By improving productivity, creating new jobs, and enhancing customer experiences. This diagram breaks down how AI contributes to economic growth. It improves productivity by a certain percentage, creates new jobs, and enhances customer experiences. Imagine AI as a catalyst, driving innovation and transformation across various sectors. The payoff? By 2035, every country will be more competitive and innovative, thanks to the transformative power of AI. While AI creates new jobs, it also displaces some traditional roles. By 2035, the net effect will be a significant increase in job creation. Think of AI as a supercharged engine. It not only boosts the car's speed, but also transforms it into something entirely new. The myth that AI will replace all jobs is just that, a myth. It's more about enhancing our work and creating new opportunities. Just like a gardener who plants new seeds and weeds out the old, AI ensures a healthier, more productive job market.